Hi, Dennis Biden with CFO on the go. Hey, Sage 100 has a whole lot of new features, but I've talked to, I don't know. If I say a dozen, it might be a little bit more than that, could be a little bit less than that, but most people I've talked to do not know about this new feature. And it works great whether you're a longtime user or a brand new user. And it's under the reports, and it's report search. And so I'm just going to type in one simple one here. I'm going to do it a couple different ways. If I just type in job cost, because I'm looking for reports for job cost, there's 139 reports that revolve around, have the word job cost in it. And the nice part is I can just scroll through here and look at every one of them and see which one I want, okay? So I want to close out of that because that's pretty simple. But, I'm looking for a job cost report that only has cost codes because I want the cost code level. And you know what? I only want it if it's in the project management module. And so now I can really limit my search. I'm not going to get 139, obviously. I got 75. But these are all of the ones that I can run. And so to me, for a new user and old user, I didn't know. Guys, I've been using Master Builder probably not as long as some of you, but I've been using it for 11 years. And I ran through here the other day and I went, wow, I didn't know that I have the report that looked like that. So there's a lot of reports in here you may or may not know about. And so it's a great way to, if you're looking for something just for job costs, just scroll through here and see if there's something that you didn't know about. Same thing, I'm going to close out of here real quick and let's just type in a simple one. Service. People who do service work. And obviously we don't want cost code and we don't need project management. So we're just going to run things that say service. And so there's 106 reports that have something to do with service. Resource value report, resource report. Some of these, again, service cost. You may know about all 106 reports, but I'm willing to bet that you don't know about all 106 reports. So, you know what? I want to see what this looks like for my company. I just hit that run button, and I'm done. And I'm running that report to see what it looks like with my company data in there. I'm going to close this out. Let's just do purchase. Last one I'm going to do here. You guys can go do this yourself as soon as I hang up here. But there's 92 reports that have something to do with purchase orders or purchasing. Again, you may know about all 92, but I doubt you do. I'd scroll through here, spend 5 minutes at lunch one day while you're drinking a cup of coffee, and scroll through here and see if there's something that you didn't know about that's going to help you manage your business better. There's close to 1,700 reports, or maybe 1,600, somewhere in that neighborhood, in Master Builder, and each of those has multiple search criteria and filters. So I don't know what that would be in real math, but there's a lot of ways to look at a lot of different reports. So you're probably missing some. All I want to tell you is there's an easier way to find them today than there was a couple months ago. And last thing, if you have not installed version 18 yet, which is the first version of Sage 100, I encourage you to do it. It is phenomenal. We have not had one issue with the people that have installed it. We have not. We've had calls before where there's some issues. We have not had one call where somebody's run into an issue that they couldn't resolve themselves. It installs easily. You're going to love using it. These menus up here just make it so much easier to manage your business. You can now hand this off to somebody else that's not really savvy with Master. Seriously, I can close this up over here and give this to a project manager. He doesn't have to know anything about Master Builder. He just says, hey, you know what? I need to see my transmittal. It's a button for this guy. There's no menu to manage. You know what? I want to look at my budget. I want to look at change orders. Everything can be customized for each of those people. It makes it a lot easier for them to use. And guys, the more information you get into the field, the more profits that you're going to be able to generate, the faster you're going to finish a project. I encourage you to get it installed and get your people trained on how to use it. Hey, have a great day. I meant to make this short. I hope it's short enough. Thanks.